Hi everyone, as a doctor, let's react to this together. Watching this slime mixing is so satisfying, isn't it? Activities like this can actually have a calming effect on the mind and help reduce stress. It's like a form of sensory therapy. If you're thinking of trying this at home, make sure to use safe, non-toxic materials, especially if kids are involved. It's a great way to relax and have fun at the same time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.